Did you know that only 8% of people actually achieve their New Year's resolutions related to health? That means 92% of people start strong and then they give up. Not because they don't want it badly enough, but because they don't have the right strategy. But what if this year could be the year you actually stick to your health goals? Today, I'm sharing proven strategies that will set you up for success so you don't become part of that 92%. Hey, Eva here, your holistic health and transformation coach, and we all start a new year with big dreams for our health. Losing weight, eating better, feeling stronger, but without a plan, most of us lose momentum by February. So, what makes the difference? Why do some people succeed while others stay stuck? Today, I'm sharing exact strategies I use with my clients and personally as well to make health goals actually last. Let's go. You start the year super motivated, right? This is my year and I'm going to eat clean and work out and wake up early and finally feel amazing. And then life happens. Maybe you lose motivation. Maybe you set unrealistic goals and feel overwhelmed. One slip up feels like a failure. So, what's the point of doing that anyway? Maybe you try to do it all alone and without support accountability. I've been there too. There's no judgment. I remember the years I would go all in January, cutting out carbs, signing up for crazy workouts, doing extreme detoxes, juicing, only to burn out. And that's because motivation is temporary. What really gets results is sustainable strategies and small, consistent habits. So, how do you actually achieve your health goals this year? Here's what works. Know your why. Find your motivating factor. I call it MOFA. Without a deep emotional reason, it's easy to lose momentum. So your MOFA isn't just about wanting to lose weight or eat healthier. You have to go deeper. Ask yourself why at least 3 times until you reach the core of your motivation. I'll give you an example. My client, Shruti, wanted to start moving to lose weight. She didn't move at that time for about 4 to 5 years. So I asked her about her why. She said, because she wanted to fit into her old clothes. And I asked her, but why? She said she wanted to feel healthier, lighter, more energized. And then I kept digging and I asked her why. She said because she wanted to play with her kids at an old age. She wanted to avoid high medical bills in old age and stay independent. So that was her real why. And when you connect with that deep emotional driver, you will not quit at the first challenge. Set clear and achievable goals. So instead of saying, I want to eat healthier, make it specific. So how are you going to make it healthier? You can say, I will meal prep twice a week to make healthier choices easier. Instead of, I will work out more, you can say, I will move my body for at least 20 minutes daily. And when your goals are specific, measurable, and realistic, it's easier to make them stick. Make small changes that compound over time. You don't need to overhaul your whole life overnight. So start with just one habit at a time. One of my clients began by simply adding more whole foods before she removed anything. And over time, her cravings for junk naturally faded. Small wins lead to big results. Build support systems. Studies show that you're 65% more likely to succeed if you have accountability. So whether it's a community, a coach, or even just a friend, having support makes all the difference. This is exactly why my clients thrive. They're surrounded by like-minded women who encourage and uplift each other. Girl power. Track progress and celebrate small wins. Keeping a habit tracker, whether it's in Notion, a journal, or just a simple checklist, helps keep you accountable. And don't just focus on the scale. Celebrate non-scale victories like having more energy, better digestion, and improved sleep. Feeling good is the real goal, not just hitting a number. Focus on how you feel, not just the results. The goal isn't just weight loss. It's about experiencing better energy, feeling lighter, getting deeper sleep, and improving digestion. When you focus on feeling good, the results naturally follow. I have a client, Monica, who started with small shifts. She didn't do extreme diets. She didn't do any punishing workouts. All she did was just small daily habits like drinking more water, adding more protein, and prioritizing sleep. And within weeks, she felt lighter, more energized, and in control. And guess what? The weight came off naturally without her feeling restricted or exhausted. Because when you nourish your body instead of punishing it, it starts working for you, not against you. I've seen it on my clients and I've seen it on myself. So let's recap strategies to crush your health goals this year. Know your why, your MOFA, motivating factor. Set clear and realistic goals. Make small, consistent changes. Surround yourself with support. Track progress and celebrate wins. And focus on feeling good, not just on weight loss. So this is what actually makes health goals last. So I'm curious, what is your biggest health goal for this year? Drop it in the comments. I would love to support you. If you're looking to introduce a new habit, you can start with my free 7-day habit challenge. It's a perfect way to build lasting habits without overwhelm. It comes with a free Notion habit tracker template, so check out the link in the description below. And if you're looking for a structured way to jumpstart your health, check out my 14-day gut cleanse. It's perfect if you want to shed excess weight, especially belly fat, boost your energy and feel lighter, reduce cravings and improve digestion, and experience deeper sleep and clearer skin, and also to create healthy habits that actually last. Check out the details below and let's make this year your healthiest year yet. And remember, your body is powerful beyond measure. You just have to tune in and listen to what it's trying to tell you. And I'm here to help you on that journey. See you in the next video.